Hello everybody. So today I continue working on my project. The last days I was not able to record you any videos because I was working on the couple animations, couple adult animations, and unfortunately this I'm not able to not able to upload on the YouTube. So what would we do today? Today I'm planning to create the object on which my player can climb. So I have a few different things here and I will work on it. The best thing for me, basically, I'm trying to find the easiest way how to work with this. And I will do this on the next way. So here on the example level from the project on which I'm working, I have several climbable objects. So to do this easy, I'm just opening it. And as you can see here are a lot of different scripts, functions, and so on and so on and so on. And I don't want to do this from the scratch. So as I'm lazy, I will do it on the easiest way. So first of all, I will find where it is here. I already open it. You can find this. You can navigate to the folders, all content, and level prototyping. Here you can see the great thing, which is called level block traversable. So this is exactly you can find in the easiest way. Simply browse to asset and you can here. To not make my life difficult, I'm just clicking the right button of my mouse and I select create the child blueprint class. So basically I'm making the child of this script and simply will follow with all of the things which already this script has. I don't like this name, so I will call this blueprint climb on object, as I will have a lot of different objects here inside, and I'll just do it like this. Okay, so this will be slum railing, I suppose, 01, because there are a lot of different things which will be like this. So climb on object slum railing. Let me check that out. The name, yes, slum railing, correct. Okay. Now I will move this blueprint because I will have a lot of them. So just don't just to make it more clear and nicer, I will move this to my own folder so then I will be able to find it. And here I have the folder with the certain objects. So I'm simply creating the new one. And I will name it climb on object. Nice. And I will move this blueprint from here to here. Move here. Nice. Nice, nice. I will save it all. Save it all. Save default level because I was making some changes here. Okay, so now I will place this on the level, and as you can see, this is just a box, which is not what I need. Okay, so double click, we are opening this. I will put this into the new window, and now for easy life, we are adding the static mesh because I know that my own mesh will be the static. So climb object. I guess it will be like this, very clear what exactly I want to do. And here I will simply add my object, this one, on which I would like to climb. So to the static mesh, I'll just edit it here. So the most important thing in this blueprint is exactly those ledges, because using them, the character will know how it have to climb over this thing. So I simply move this cube here and here and here. And now I will just adjust its size according to my climbable object. One more thing, when you are doing this adjustments of the size, so make sure that the sides of the static mesh, the default static mesh, and all of those ledges are outside of your object. This is very important, otherwise it will not work. So as I was experimenting a little bit with this, and I just found out that it is not working like this. So let's make it a little bit bigger to this side, to that side. Now let's make it smaller here. Maybe something like this. If you will have some kind of walls or building, it will be easier, but with this small thing, it's a little bit difficult, but never mind, I guess that we'll be able to work with this. So now we are going down. We need to make it bigger, higher, so it will just cover the thing. Okay, so I will simply hide this text. I don't need it. Basically, I can remove it, but who knows? Maybe I would like to add something. Okay, so simply just hide it. It will not bother me. I will just remove the visibility here. Okay, now with this static mesh, I need to do exactly the same. I'll simply make it invisible here, and I will just make it hidden in game, just in case. Okay, so as you can see, the sides of these white things, the ledges, are outside, and let's check if it is working or not. So we have it on the scene. Basically, we have it on the floor as it should be. Okay, so let's press play, and let's see what do we have here. And it is not working. Let's check it out. Nope. She can jump over, but she cannot just do it correctly as it should be. The thing is that again, I think that the capsule collider is just colliding with the thing, with my ledge. So again, I'm going to the object. I will just do this a little bit bigger, and let's see. So the most important thing is that the capsule collider will not collide with this ledge, this static mesh, with your own static mesh, like this. Let's check. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Again, from this side, no. From this side, no. From this side, no. Okay, and if I will do this bigger, more, let's now this. Just for curiosity. Okay. So even bigger. Okay. Nope. This one. Just make it huge to see if I'm right or no. Just for experiment. Okay. Compile, save, play. Run, baby, run. She's not just recognizing this thing. Okay, and from this side, nothing. Okay. Correct one. Save. So here we can see that this is really big already. And if I will take a static mesh and just move it over here. Let's see, because we will came from this side, so let's check it out. Look, the thing is that when she is colliding with your own static mesh, it just don't want to work. But when you are doing this mesh bigger, so this is already working. Now you have to find something in the middle. We have to find something in the middle, so it does not look bad, and so it works. So I will check it. I will move it a little bit again. Again, but I'm in the wrong static mesh. Okay, so I just need this. Okay. If I will move it over here, let's see what it will do for us. More or less. So, jump. Yes, it is working. So as you can see right now, it is not colliding with anything inside, basically with my own mesh, it is not colliding. And it is great. I will try to do another thing. Maybe it will save my life if I will just remove the collision. I'm not sure that I'm doing the right thing. I will just do it as a test. So I have this object. Where is my collision? Let's check. If I will do this, no collision. Compile. Now I just want to make this the size as it must be. So what do we have here? We have here copy. Notepad, because I don't want to do this again. So I'll simply copy and paste. And now I will just give back the more beautiful size. So like this, because I really don't like that she's just, you know, she's too far and it don't look good. Because when in the game she will just jumping over those borders and she will be few meters away. It don't look good. Okay, I will remove this one because this is already edited and it is not beautiful. Okay, I will move back the original. Where is my start position? Okay, so play. Let's run over here. Let's see if it works. So it just don't recognize. So basically, it wanted to be much bigger to work. So let's give it back. Paste. Okay, okay. Checking. So just jump over it. Nice. I don't know why it is not working here for me with the buttons, but doesn't matter. Okay. Okay. Maybe the first time when you're doing things, sometimes this is difficult to find out if this is working correctly or no. So I'm playing with the sizes, with the things, experimenting with how it should be, how it should work. Just want it to be like big as it is, as it was. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Let's compile and save it again, and it will be, I will have to leave it like this. So with such small things, it is not so nice, but what to do. So basically in this way you can do the rest of the things, and I will do the rest of the things, continue working on this. One more thing that I'm almost forget to tell you, that for example, if you will notice that when I'm coming to this thing, she's not jumping. I'm just pressing the letter W and nothing is going on. So to use those things, I'm pressing at the same time the W and the jump, so the space bar. Like this, she know that she have to jump. I don't know, maybe this is only my project, but I think that this is in all of them. For right now, it is working like this. So I hope you liked it, and I hope that it was useful for you.